Hi and welcome. This video is part of a series developed to help you quickly enable valuable features and functions across your SAP Ariba solution. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly create line items in a sourcing event using a simplified Excel import. The challenge is that sourcing professionals often need to create a large number of line items for a sourcing event. It is possible to copy line items, but importing is quicker and more efficient. If you own SAP Ariba Sourcing, you can use this functionality. You can only import sections and line items. To import lots and other information such as team members or suppliers, use the standard Excel import. The benefits are it is simpler and more efficient than copying when creating many line items. Let's log into SAP Ariba and take a look. The first step in getting started is to create an event, such as an RFP. In this case, I've created an RFP for laptops. Go to the content and create one item. Next, choose Simplified Excel Import. Next, click this link to open the RFP in an Excel spreadsheet. Go to the Line Items tab. From here, you can add more line items or sections. Here I've added additional laptop models. Now save the file and exit. Now choose the file you've just saved and click Import. Please note that all existing contents of the event will be replaced. You're now returned to the event, and you can see that all of the line items have been placed into the event. This demonstration has shown how to use a simplified Excel import to quickly create multiple line items in a sourcing event. If you have any further questions, please contact your SAP Ariba Customer Engagement Executive or visit SAP Ariba Help for more information.